Hey everyone, today we've delved into the groundbreaking Kia EV Day 2023, where Kia unveiled its visionary global strategy for electric vehicles. Among the standout moments was the international debut of the Kia EV5, signifying Kia's strong commitment to the worldwide electric vehicle market. In this video, we've dissected the pivotal insights from this event, unveiling Kia's roadmap for an electrifying future. Kia's EV Day 2023 served as a platform to showcase its comprehensive strategy aimed at embracing an electrified era. The introduction of the EV5, Kia's first dedicated battery electric vehicle, epitomizes the brand's dedication to cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and sustainable mobility solutions. We've delved into the EV5's features, performance capabilities, and its pivotal role in shaping Kia's expanding electric vehicle lineup. Beyond vehicle development, Kia's global strategy extends to establishing a robust charging infrastructure and sustainable mobility services. This comprehensive approach aims to meet consumer demands, making electric mobility more accessible and convenient on a global scale. We've examined Kia's plans for expanding charging networks, forging partnerships for sustainable energy solutions, and the brand's vision for a greener automotive landscape. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.